Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. As you can see behind me, I am about to put on the King spoiler. Now, I got the spoiler a few months back, but I've been waiting for some nicer weather in order to put this on. So finally, we got some sunshine, we got a nice day. Alright, so today's finally the day I'm going to put it on. Alright, now there's a few things that I did before I started the video. First I cleaned the rear of the car here, cleaned that, and then I also clayed it and wiped it down with some alcohol just to get it clean surface in order for the 3M tape that's on the bottom of the spoiler to stick to the paint. Now, one thing I also did off camera was I found the center line of the car, and then I found the center line of the spoiler. Obviously, those two lines match up, so therefore now the spoiler is essentially, I mean, it's pretty damn close to being centered. You see a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to get into the important step and actually taking the backing off the 3M tape and putting it on the car. Alright, now you see here there's two strips of 3M tape. Now the instructions say to cut the center of each strip, peel an inch back on each one. This way, once you put it down the paint, this will stick, and then you just slowly peel it back. So I'm just going to take a razor blade and I'm going to cut essentially right down the middle here. Alright guys, so now with those pieces pulled back just a little bit, all I'm going to do, make sure these lines stay more or less lined up. Push that down. Alright, and then this is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just pull this tape down. And as you go, it's going to stick. And then this stuff is pretty sticky. Once it's on there, it is friggin' on there, man. Wow. Alright, so that's one side. We're going to do the other side now. Alright, now I'm just going to take you off here and show you just how flush everything is. And you can see it there. Alright. I mean, it's not 100% flush, but it's kind of not what I was hoping to get. Alright. And then we're pretty much even all the way across, so that's awesome. That went on really good. Then all you have to do is come up and do the other side. Just gonna pull my tape up out of the way here for a second. Alright, now I can pull this tape down. Alright, push that down, and then do the same thing on this side. Okay, push that side down. Now once you get this 3M tape on there, it's not coming off too easily. So make sure you have it where you want it before you actually put it down. And there we go. We're done. We're on there. This is looking really good. I am loving the way this looks. Alright guys, so that was it. The installation on the spoiler is really easy. Like I said, that 3M tape is pretty sticky, so make sure you have it exactly where you want it. Actually, when I put it on, the left side's a little bit off from the right side, but by like, you know, 1/16 of an inch, so you're not really going to actually see that. But like I said, just make sure you have the spoiler exactly where you want it, because it's going to stick. Alright, and then all I did was put some tape just on the corners here, just to hold those down overnight, just so they don't come up. I doubt they will, but just in case. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. I'm going to leave a link down in the description on where I got this spoiler from. Again, I got it from Spoiler King. This is their smaller model. They do make one that's a little bit taller. I think it's like 1.25 inches or something like that taller. So that one looks good as well. I just wanted the shorter one just to go with a more subtle look, but obviously it's personal preference. Alright, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.